Hi guys, so I am about to open my gifts from my sisters and they requested to see my reaction to these gifts. So here goes. Hi lovies. So we are opening our gifts. Well, I am opening my gifts from my sisters, Alyssa and Zani. And yeah, we'll start with Zani's gift. So Zani has this really cute gift bag. It's not a bag, it's like gift paper. But we'll start opening this one. So should I just tear it? Ooh. Y'all, Zani is a darling. Zani. Z. Zani got so much things in this little paper bag. No, you see, Zani is so stink. Zani, but girl, I love you. I love you. And then there's the turmeric. I can tell one a little secret, right? Zani is so stink. You see these? I was with Zani when she bought these. And here she, oh, you think that you other sister gonna like these? And I was like, yeah, sure, she like anything. So she told me pick out a flavor and I picked the turmeric one. Zani, oh boy, you wait. You wait. And then I got these. And then, okay, so Shadow clearly wants to say hi. Say hi, Shadow. He's trying to eat the paper. But anyhow, we also have this. And let me tell y'all another little secret. I was with Zani when she bought this dress. And Zani was like, Shana, you like this? And I was like, yeah, sure, of course. You think, and she was like, oh, you think it can fit Alyssa? And I was like, yes. Get then it tells Zani was size to get and all kind of thing. But Zani, you so stink. You so stink. You so stink. But I love it, baby girl. Thank you. Thank you very much. This one is also from Zani. And it's the cutest little box. Oh Lord, I just dropped the card. She has this card. I ain't never gonna read this card on camera, obviously. But we have this box. So let's see, Zani, what's inside of the box. Ooh. Ooh. Zani. Zani. You just. Zani has an entire box of facial products. Shadow, they're not for you. Not you. So we have the facial brush and a charcoal exfoliating sponge and a whole set of masks and ooh, Zani, and the nose strips, and we have this beauty brush and this headband, fave, 10 points Z, 10 points. And the lavender foot one, Zane Z, Zane, and even more mask, Zane, and a barrel, Z. Thank you, baby. Thank you, lovey. Greatly appreciated. I love it. I love all of them. Everything in this box. Everything in the other bag. Zani. Zani, you fit a million things in these 2 boxes. How you could do that? How? I can read your card, but not on camera. Then we have Alyssa's gift. Alyssa has a box. Let's see what's in this box. She has a card, and she said the one thing that she told me was the card has a lot of instructions, so I gotta follow all the instructions. So you think I should open the card now? Cause let's see. Hold a second. Alyssa. You know what? Anyways, we also have this from Alyssa. This is on the outside of the box. And it is the cutest little keyring with an S. This is so cute. And this is the cutest little keyring. And I am going to put this on my phone. Okay. So let's open the box. This boy's cute. Shut door! Open the box, yeah? Cute. Wait, let me take off this. Let me take off this ribbon. Alyssa. Okay, so Alyssa has this box, and the cutest little plan book. I don't know if y'all can see it properly, but yeah, the cutest little plan book. And the Queen pen to go with it. Y'all can see. Okay, wait, hold a second. Y'all can see. Cute. And then we have this. This is like a little cosmetic pouch. Thank you, Alyssa. Thank you, Zanny. Thank you, Alyssa. Woo. Just wait now. Marissa's gift that is coming, but that's going to be an entire another video. So until then, this is happy holidays, Merry Christmas, stay safe.